What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And of course, I would like to thank you for tuning in. And if you guys are new to this channel at mahilig kayo magluto at kumain, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more food updates. And for those comments and suggestions on what to cook next, don't forget to hit us up and comment down below. My name is Michael, but my friends call me Titit. I am a band performer, a fashion photographer, and now a content creator. I am no chef, I just love to eat. Therefore, I love to cook. And I welcome you to my kitchen. Welcome back! And I would like to greet all the fathers, the dads, the itais, the papas in the world a happy Father's Day! And most especially to my dad. Dad, I love you so much and happy Father's Day to you. And also to my younger brother, Patrick, happy Father's Day to you. And my brother-in-law across the miles, a happy Father's Day, Kuya Efren. It's time for our shoutouts! Yes! Before we proceed with our food vlog, we would like to give a special hi and hellos to these amazing and cool people. So starting with Melf. Thank you so much, Melf, for all the support. Number 2, Jake. Ayan, of PCXCB exclusive. Thank you so much for liking most of my food vlogs. Third, Francis! Ayan, gano'n natin yung pagsulog Francis ha. O, na-shoutout na kita. Thank you so much. Last but definitely not the least, MJ! Thank you so much, MJ. Ayan si MJ, kasamahan ng kapatid ko na si Milot. Ayan, thank you so much for subscribing. You know, I've always been fascinated with desserts, on how it's made, and how it's done. And one of my guilty pleasures is ice cream. See, naglalaway na ako ngayon just by thinking about it. This fascination started back when I was a kid. Dati kasi palagi akong sinasama ng mami ko sa work. Oo, sinasama niya ako kasi walang magbabantay sa akin sa bahay. Anyway, during the 80s, my mom used to work for a very famous and popular ice cream brand in the country, which is Magnolia. So no wonder I also got lots of tips from her on how to make this super creamy heaven. So for today's food vlog, we will be making one of my ultimate and favorite comfort food, which is chocolate and coffee ice cream. And here's the twist, we will not be using any ice cream machine nor any electronic hand mixer, only pure muscle power. And since it's homemade and more personalized, iba-ibang klaseng chocolates ang ilalagay natin. So what are you waiting for? Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started!
Ayan na, tapos na ang ating chocolate and coffee ice cream. Pabugnaw na ta. Tara! And if you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more food updates. Until our next video,